Hey y'all, so had to move today and I unplugged the motorhome and we had problems with the AC kicking off because we're only using 110 power, which pretty much a no-no they say, but if you're careful you can do it. So I went and unplugged the power from the house and this is what I got, if you guys can see that. So it's supposed to look like this, but it looks like this. So got to be careful when you're running shore power on these motorhomes. Really should not overpower what you have. 110 watts, 110 volts on the wall, and then a rooftop air conditioner. So got to be careful.